2014. They've displayed all over Europe. They're off next month to Portugal. And the RV8 is the best selling kit-built aeroplane on the planet. 180 horsepower engine. You can build this in a garage. You need a lot of patience. Thousands of improvements involved. Then one of these sports cars for the air, which is all worthwhile. The Lycoming IO 360 gives a top speed of 220 miles an hour. Now you saw the red arrows to this. Formation flying, whether you're in a Hawk or an RV8, skills are